The traditional manual inspection only checks 3 hectares per person a day. The false positive rate exceeds 30% when the crop is thirsty and sick, but we can't see it. When the KEEL Plus drone takes to the sky with a multispectral camera, all problems are resolved effortlessly. Coverage area per flight, 220 hectares. Extended flight endurance 77 minutes. Assist in pollution source investigation and water environment assessment. Quantitative analysis of the health, stress and growth of crops and vegetation. Easy job parameter setting. The captured image has its own positioning parameters. KEEL Plus features a modular quick-release design. Maximum payload 30 kilograms. The bottom supports multi-point mount. Can carry multiple devices simultaneously. Perform multi-sensor fusion operations on the environment. Data complementarity enhances project accuracy. More drone industry applications at CHT.